What up guys, we are from group Lumek and we choose Kampung Tembirat Asajaya as our local marketplace to find the safe and sustainable seafood choices. So, the local market of Kampung Tembirat or Pusat Penjajah MPKS Tembirat is a focal point where many visitors want to buy food and also raw or wet goods.
Jangan lumnya, sebelah pun mau, kanan kiri semua mau.
My name is Muhammad Faiz Azwan, metric number 80106, and the first aquatic organism that we choose is Bombay duck, or locally known as ikan lumek or lumi-lumi. It is scientifically classified as Actinopterygii and is primarily distributed in the tropical regions of the Indo-Pacific. Renowned for its fragment distribution throughout the Indian coastline. This species is commonly referred to as the peculiar fish because of its distinctive occurrence in various areas. Historically, the Bombay duck has been captured via trawlers, seines, and gill nets. These approaches are prevalent in coastal areas where the fish is located. The price of ikan lumek in the local markets of Sarawak is roughly around 10 ringgit per kilogram. Nevertheless, costs may vary according to the season, reaching a minimum of 5 ringgit per kilogram during periods of high abundance. An assessment of the fishing methods and life cycle of the Bombay duck is necessary in order to address sustainability concerns. Trawlers and gill nets can have diverse effects on the marine ecosystem. Recent research indicates that the long-term viability of the Bombay duck fisheries is closely tied to the implementation of sustainable harvesting methods. The fish is susceptible to environmental influence, including salinity. The Bombay duck is a safe and often consumed food source in its home regions, where it is also staple in traditional diets. The Bombay duck is quite adaptable in terms of preparation. It is frequently ingested by frying, smoking, or inclusion in soups. In recent times, entrepreneurs in Sarawak have commenced the processing of it into dehydrate and smoke variation, as well as transforming it into well-like snacks such as salai ikan lumek merah, which have garnered significant market demand. These novel techniques not only enhance the worth of the fish but also prolong its storage duration, so contributing to the assurance of food availability in the area.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Adis Noridaya Bestari with metric number 78844. Okay, the second organism we're interested to talk about is the cuttlefish, known as broad club cuttlefish or sotong kata in the local language. The scientific name for this cuttlefish is Sophia letermanus. This cuttlefish belongs to the cephalopods class, which also includes other species such as squid, octopus, and nautilus. They are called sotong kata because they have a different bone structure called kata bone compared to regular cephalopod. This organism eats small mollusks, crab, shrimp, small fish, squid, worms, and its species. This broad club cuttlefish often reside on the seafloor, which serve as their habitats and feeding ground. Due to this, cuttlefish are difficult to catch using the jigging technique, as they are rarely come to the water surface unless they are in shallow areas. Therefore, fishermen use specialized technique such as a trap to catch cuttlefish basically in large quantities. This cuttlefish can grow up to around 30 cm to 50 cm in length, including tentacles, and their market price varies based on size and weight. At the Pasar Nelayan Tembirat, sellers typically sell cuttlefish for RM8 ringgit per kilogram, and interestingly, Cuttlefish can be obtained for as low as Rm5 per kilogram during their peak season. Thus, these cuttlefish are most delicious when cooked as fried turmeric, sambal or soy sauce dishes. Last but not least, this broad club cuttlefish can be considered a safe and sustainable food source, especially when sourced responsibly. Their low carbon footprint and minimal ecosystem impact make cuttlefish as relatively eco-friendly seafood option.
And the next organism that we are going to talk about is tiger prawn. Hi, my name is Nabil Isam with metric number 80314. The next creature would be the tiger prawn, known locally as udang harimau and scientifically as Penis monodon. These prawns are popular delicacy in Malaysia, found naturally in the Indo-West Pacific region. In local Malaysian markets, the price of tiger prawns varies based on the size and quality, as it can grow up to 34 cm and 250 grams, ranging from 30 ringgit to 60 ringgit per kilogram. In areas like Kota Samarahan and Asajaya, you can find them for around 38 ringgit per kilogram. Tiger prawns are also versatile in kitchen. You can try many recipes like fried spices prawn, creamy butter and even curry prawn, which is delicious and easy to prepare. Usually, the most common method to get tiger prawns is through aquaculture. These prawns are bred and raised in coastal ponds either in freshwater or brackish environments. Wild capture of tiger prawns using trawl nets is also sometimes available. Tiger prawns are popular seafood choices in Malaysia and beyond. While they are safe to eat, their sustainability depends on the farming and fishing practice used. Farming prawns in controlled environment helps reduce the impact on wild populations and prevent overfishing. After all, sustainable aquaculture practices helps protect marine ecosystem and provide a reliable food source.
Hi, my name is Abby Natasha Anak Martin with metric number 78609.
Ketam suri is one of the selected aquatic organisms that my team chose. The local term for this aquatic creature is ketam suri, or commonly referred as ketam bunga, and scientifically identified as Proteus pelagius. Ketam suri inhabit tropical and subtropical waters. They inhabit the shallow coastal water near coral reef, lagoons, wetlands, and mangrove forests. Ketam suri is capable of both swimming and walking on the seabed in shallow waters. They can also be found in estuaries and brackish seawater. Ketam suri is sold in the local Malaysian market at a price ranging from Rm40 to Rm100 per kilogram, depending on the quality and the freshness of the crab. However, at Tambirat Fisherman Market, ketam suri is sold for Rm26 per kilogram. Ketam suri is considered as a safe and sustainable food source. The diet of ketam suri contains a range of food items, such as tallows fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, showing diverse feeding behavior. The variety of food consumed by this species indicates a reduced effect on prey populations, which improve the long-term sustainability of its food supply.
Hello everyone, my name is Malatu Atiramiti Sarani with metric number 80011. The last aquatic organism that our group encountered in daily meal is razor shell. The razor shell is commonly known as razor clam or razor shell. The local name for it is ambal or siput buluh in Sabah and Sarawak. There are three different species of ambal in Sarawak, which is ambal biasa, ambal jernang, and ambal riong. Ambal biasa, with scientific name Solar regularis, is the most common species found in western half of Sarawak, especially in Kampung Asajaya and Tambirat, Sarawak. According to Mr. Suhar bin Tahar, a 60-year-old fisherman from the small town of Asajaya Laut, explained that the typical method for obtaining ambal or bamboo clams involved using a bait, a fishing hook, and a mixture of slate lime, a bamboo, or a satay stick. Furthermore, they also develop their own breeding tools or other techniques for finding the ambal. In comparison to more intensive fishing approach, this strategy is thought to have relatively minimal impact. The price of ambal or siput buluh in the marketplace depend on location and season. Most sellers and fishermen offer ambal for sale at a price ranging from Rm50 to Rm20 per kilogram, while flesh of ambal are priced at Rm25 per kilogram at Pasar Nelayan Tembirat. Ambal can be a safe and sustainable food source if managed wisely. Considering its impact on the ecosystem and biodiversity, harvesting should be done carefully to avoid disrupting the local ecosystem, and traditional hand collection methods are preferable over habitat damaging techniques. Additionally, proper management of harvesting and transportation is essential to reduce the carbon footprint. It's crucial to ensure ethical harvesting practice and compliance with conservation laws to maintain the sustainability of ambal as a food source. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.